Luwe luwara me komala me Uganda totwale luwe luwara ma ake i Acholi sub-region. I am so much disappointed in you. I am very, very much disappointed in you, luwe luwara ma a i Acholi sub-region. Olama met pechek kirio. Ka utie ki ngato mo ikinwu, maparo pi group lo, maparo pi community lo, uti ki opportunity enoni. Ana en. Ikarma aduku ki Nairobi, agony Kampala. Wun luwe ulua, ya lwen mati gankanye labon in pelare. Kitika gamotiene ki nying luwe madon mukene kany pege ware. Luwe madon mukene kany luram. Gi gamotiene ki nying luwe gi chamuken gi kimongi. Ko ibini konywa a ringi ki Kampala binu ka konyo wu ka konyo wa. Apenyu wu kama peroti ye uti rowen o waji beno wa nying luwe matika titki nying luwe me chamgi kimongi. Wa laying strategy. In the strategy wa planning. Ana waji ni wati yuki long-term plan, not short-term. In the long-term plan, ana mi utam ni chaketinu cheranyim umiru wabiru ki an account, wabiru ki account paluwe, wabiru ki one genuine leadership. Maluwe wengeno ni pegetu erti matata kichene paluwe. Chidong wachago dange. Wadang about army generals, wadang about individuals mokene, wadang about honorable ministers and honorable MPs, wadang about lutela mapari. Wadang wek chento donye kicha, wa chente ni peki pogi. Ka chento donye kicha peki pogi, ka chento donye ya account peki pogi, ke gwok chente ni. Watimu kumenu wagamu chene ki bot dana weng until after elections. Chidong wabiru pin chene ma wajugu dong wachako millionaire in terms of loan. No kong wayabo sako. Sako madit sako paluwe. Ma sako ne one luwe igini weng me Acholi sub-region. Wabiru under one umbrella of that sako. Munutam machalo an elder like me miyo. You have disappointed me. Now so far, one don't know 180 million. Almost 200 million. But out of the 180 million, it be known at the end of the day, we have not saved even 1,000 shillings out of it. An opportunity, a very big opportunity. One week mini wachente. Appreciation to Todwong Richard, appreciation to the office of NRM Secretariat through Ajat Medina Bene. Appreciation to the office of Ajat Medina. Appreciation to General Charles Otemawany. Mubirika guiding Bosmik ni chetkan. I salute you, General Charles Otemawany. O guiding ni kao meru chene kili we don kan. Achero. But unutika wasting energy na utika wasting my wisdom. Why? Umiru chene mo ikan matitiri mo porukipoko. Chene mo ikan matitiri mo porukipoko. Upogo chente wen chente mo mudong mati ya account peke. Ana waji nene anba. Chente mo ikan wakili ya account ke gore. So far one don't know 180 million. Momo don ya account peke. Upogo chente miu inoni duwe mo keno no 40,000. What is that? Eniano chaketia nyutuwi wankamer ni 40,000. What is that? Nonsense again. Now, the 180 million, let us not curse our leaders. Todwong Richard, General Charles Otemawany, and the office of the NRM. We appreciate the little mawano. Chene mo ikene wilobani billion kiluoni only, but it is money. No, it is money. Kiluoni legal tender. Legal tender, it is money. Now, adugu botu. Ana dange para 17 million salim saleo miyo. Pilo we 17 million a kilo. Luwe upoko chane weng. Maikeri account peke. ana dangai Salim Saleh o mi dok 13 million mukene 13 million mukene be luwe poro pegi carry account now 13 million a plus 17 million, that is 40 million from Salim Saleh. Anyway, aya mapate eno 100 million mano 50 million from Todwong, 50 million from Madam Ajat. Anyway, monoti part kida another 40 million from Todwong. Manyurni wunu lanyo wow. Todwong mi 90 million a plus 40 million from Salim Saleh a plus 50 million from Ajat, 180